Ladies and gentlemen, your athletes for the next bout.
KIRSTEN CHENANIE walking down, a judoka training out of Smackworks. Been here before, tough customer.
Puts the time in, works hard in the gym, and apparently hard in the kitchen as well, as a hobby is baking.
Really?
It is.
I'm gonna get her to bake me something. She works for an energy supplement company, so it's like a contradiction, isn't it?
It's going to be hard to make weight when you're
high protein carrot cake.
Yeah.
I don't know. But she did. She was on weight today. She was on the agreed weight that they said. They agreed to meet at 64.
Yeah, she's on the money. Gotta like her attitude. She loves competing. She's competed a lot in judo. It's maybe her third MMA fight, but a lot of judo behind her.
I think she spent a lot of time working on her stand-up. I think that was one part of her that was lacking. But yeah, she really did try. And she's really been working on it with Ahmad and all her training partners. She's one of those kids that always posting on a Sunday at the gym, you know, doing all the extra after-hours things that you and I are lying on our couch, you know.
You know, it's easy to do that when you actually enjoy what you're doing, I think. And I think she's someone who really enjoys the training. She enjoys the work.
So important as a fighter or as a combat sport participator to enjoy the journey.
Yeah.
It's no point grinding and not enjoying the process.
If you're doing it for the T-shirt, you're doing it for the wrong reason.
Yeah, you've got to love what you do.
Yeah.
You must never love getting punched in the face. That's not a good thing to love.
No.
But you must love the grind.
It takes a special type of person who wakes up at 4 in the morning to go running when it's 5 degrees and raining.
That is not me.
Special type of person, Justin.
Already cage side as her opponent. ZANELE and NYULI, a late replacement. Also been in training. She was in training with her training partner. Original opponent, KIRSTEN's original opponent.
This bout is scheduled for three-minute rounds in the MFC female featherweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner. This athlete weighs in at 64 kgs and holds a record of 2 wins and 0 losses. Fighting out of Smackworks, KIRSTEN CHENANIE. Her opponent, fighting out of the blue corner. This athlete weighs in at 64 kgs and holds a record of 2 wins and 1 loss. Fighting out of Muay Thai MMA boys, ZANELE and NYULI. And your referee for this bout will be Maria Brown.
The last ladies' fight earlier in the evening delivered a performance, going 3 rounds. I expect nothing less from these ladies. Both very focused. No touch at gloves.
A strange approach.
Very side on.
I think she's going to load up with a big leg kick. Nice straight punches.
She's going to load up with a left-right. Surprised we didn't see KIRSTEN clinching there and getting a takedown. Maybe she's going to work a bit of a stand-up. She's coming out with the Muay Thai pants.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice
dropped her by the ear.
Was that a leg trip or what was that?
I think she clipped on the ear, Justin.
No, she's looking for the trip.
Now she's got the clinch. She's going to look for the toss. Probably don't want to be holding a judoka around the head like that.
Limited space there. There we go. Single leg. Both heavy legs. So hard to move. Also difficult, you know, as judo's a good thing, but you've got to have cloth to grab, you know what I mean?
It's a lot easier, definitely, if you do have a gi on or, although nice little leg
You can
pick.
just do that.
That is illegal in judo, though.
Is it?
Yeah, you can't grab the legs, believe it or not.
Fight is over.
That's it, ground and pound, side control. Her opponent not complaining.
Yeah, she wasn't going to advance a position.
I
A
don't
bit
think-
wobbly.
Yeah, look at her. I don't think she came back from that initial snap knockdown there.
Strange, I was looking for a submission. Didn't happen.
Your winner by TKO in 1 minute and 9 seconds of the first round, KIRSTEN CHENANIE!
KIRSTEN, compared to your last fight, you've got to be a lot happier. The face looks a lot better.
Absolutely. I'm very glad it didn't go to the end of the third. So, yeah, happy about that.
And then what happened to the judo hip toss? I don't think a single leg takedown's legal in judo.
No, we decided to change up the game plan this time, try to stay away from judo, do something different. So, really happy. The coaches worked hard and it paid off.
Yeah, I know how hard you work and I see how much effort you put in and it showed tonight.
Cool. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.